I am just so obsessed. I think it's so beautiful and I want to be buried in it. Wow, that took a turn. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are back with the testing try on hauls. If you're new to my channel and you don't know about these, basically I spend a shit ton of money on clothes and review them so that you don't have to. You know, a girl works hard for her coin and you don't want to be wasting it on crappy clothes. Today's video I'm going to be testing out House of CB. We have got... That was quite impressive, especially for someone with a fractured arm. We have got this fatty box plus another box down there of clothes, and I'm going to be trying them all on and reviewing them for you all. House of CB is a brand that I have loved for years. I've never actually bought anything from them before. I really wanted to try their clothing out, so I'm so excited to dive right in. I'm going to start off with what I'm wearing now. This is a beautiful black bustier. She busty. It's a peplum. It's a beautiful, thick quality. That's one thing I have to say about these items. The quality is just sensational. It's all wired. It's a boned corset, so it's super duper flattering. It gives you a really nice waist. I'm so obsessed with this top. I actually wore it to dinner the other night. So this was popping. But yeah, defo a 10 out of 10 for this top. It is so beautiful. Also, just to mention, I'm gonna have all the links to all the clothing down in the description box below. Right, the next thing I'm gonna try on is kind of similar. It's another peplum top, but it's basically white. Let's get this bad boy on. I know I say this every time, but can we just? This is the white peplum top. Once again, super beautiful. It's got adjustable straps, so I guess you could pull them up for a bit more cleave in the village, if you know what I mean. Not trying to get demonetized. I love this feature here because it shows a bit of skin, but I feel like it's still a really modest top. I don't know how to explain the fabric, but it's kind of shiny, kind of wet look. I thought it was leathery, but it feels more almost satiny, but it's like a matte satin. Clearly it did not do textiles at school. So flattering once again. This is what the back looks like. A beautiful zip. Ooh, baby. This top is everything dreams are made of. I'm just going to try it on showing all its beautiful, magnificent glory because if I could design a top, this would be it. The most beautiful top I have ever and will ever own in my life. I feel like a villager going to collect milk in the morning. Yeah, sorry, what? It's got this beautiful crossover detail on the back. This top really does speak for itself. I feel like it would look so beautiful. Some denim jeans for dinner, holiday vibes. Take me to Bali, please. I am just so obsessed. I think it's so beautiful and I want to be buried in it. Wow, that took a turn. Not to mention, it makes the girls look pretty good. Can't lie. The next dress I'm going to be trying on is just all the princess vibes. I mean, not to be dramatic, but I could cry. There's been a spider under that candle for about 3 days and I'm terrified of knocking it over with my foot. It's some weird ass mutilated one as well. It's only got one leg on one side of his body. This dress is the perfect length. I guess it's versatile too because I've seen girls wear it with off the shoulder sleeve. It's so beautiful, so flattering. I love this material. As I'm gonna keep saying, the quality 15 out of 10. These House of CB designers really got it on luck though. I'm pretty sure this comes in a couple of other colours as well. It really nips you in at the waist. It's super flattering. The back is super simple. It's got this lovely sort of squared back. I genuinely cannot pick a single fault with this dress. I just want to wear it every day for the rest of my life. So can someone rich please marry me so that we can go to balls and dinners all the time? Because the sister's ready and prepared, you know what I mean? This haul is kind of dangerous because obviously House of CB is kind of on the pricey side and now I never want to buy clothes from anywhere else. Also, I haven't addressed, but yeah, I know, it's a problem. Oh, what is next? Okay. This dress is a little bit more, I say wearable, but you know, wear whatever the fuck you want. It's 2019, you know what I mean? This would be really good for clubbing, for nights out. You could even maybe wear this in the daytime if you felt like it. Let's get this baby on. Do I really need to say anything? This dress is so beautiful, so flattering, such a lovely colour. I really like it with my tan. Something I really like about these dresses is that you can kind of see the cups through, and you can change where the ruching is. It just hugs your body so nicely. It accentuates your curves. This is what the back looks like. I mean, I don't have a bum, so we're just not going to talk about that. I love the colour. I love these thin straps. I think these are so flattering, and I also love how they're placed right to the edge, so it gives a really sort of square neckline. You can pull the ruching down, you can pull it up if you want to be more reserved. Just so beautiful for a night out. I feel like with a big denim jacket. They do these in other colours. I know they do like a beautiful like tangerine orange and a white. I'm not sure what other colours they do, but Seth, get yourself on this. This is the summer dress of dreams. It's this beautiful white ruched dress, and it's got this really sort of lovely texture at the bottom that reminds me of a pavlova. I want to be looking like a pavlova. Yes and yes and yes. This is what the dress looks like. I'm going to move the camera down a little bit. We serve in all the Grecian summer vibes in this bad boy. I think this has got to be one of my favourites. I wish I had this for when I went on holiday. Oh my god. I know I said about the top earlier, but if I could be a dress, I mean, we all out here trying to look like a snack, so why wouldn't you want a dress that's serving pavlova goodness? So beautiful. I feel like my boyfriend would love this dress. It's just girly, pretty. I feel confident in it. It's very reserved. It's very modest. I just love it. Love it. For my 19th birthday, I think I'm going to be away in Thailand. So I'm already like planning what I'm going to wear for my birthday. Why am I like this? And I feel like this is a very strong candidate. It's giving me beachy vibes, and I want to be a birthday queen on the beach in Thailand. So it's about you. So the next dress is serving all the princess goodness. It's this beautiful, shiny, almost sparkly. Is it sparkly? I think it's just so shiny. It looks wet. Beautiful sleeves. Once again, it's boned. I forgot to mention too, but everything I got in this haul is a size small, and just like that, I found my future bridesmaids dresses. This is serving all the looks. This fabric and this material is like nothing I've ever seen ever. I haven't worn a bra with one of these dresses and I feel so supported. Once again, beautiful square back, super flattering. Shows the nice part of your back and not like the, you know. This dress is the perfect length. It's just so pretty. It's so flattering. This would be so beautiful if you're going to the races, or you just have a really special dinner or special event, or if you're my future bridesmaid. I really can't fault it. Just so beautiful. Want to wear it every day. I'm pretty sure they do tops of these too. I'm pretty sure I saw Sophia from Sophia and Shinsia wearing like a pink top of this. This next dress I have actually already worn a couple of times, and wowee. Wowee. I get compliments on it every single time. I'm just going to put it on and let the dress do the talking. Ooh, Saffron Barker called. She wants her Strictly Come Dancing dress back. I mean, it's got the perfect balance of like coverage. Obviously, it's very bare on the legs where the diamante tassels are, but it's super high neck, so it like keeps the modesty there. This dress is so beautiful. It's still got the night out vibe to it, but it's also classy. Definitely an evening dress. I say like a 21st and 18. This is my favorite dress in my wardrobe. I just want to wear it every day. I want to sleep in it. I want to get married in it. Not that anyone's ever gonna marry. It's just so beautiful. It's also my boyfriend's favorite dress. He literally loves it. I mean, get you a man with good taste, you know. I'm not even gonna bother trying to explain this one because you need to see it on. Oh, stunning. Lol, my bikini tan lines popping through. I imagine this with like a beautiful long thin necklace going down the center. These sleeves are just incredible. They've got like slits on the side, so you get a little bit of arm poking through. Who let me work with House of CB? Honestly, I'd like to know. Here's a full length view of the playsuit in all its glory. This is what the back looks like. It's open, it's beautiful, it's ethereal, it's flowy. This is so comfortable and just lovely. Like, what is not to like about this? You can make it more modest, you can make it more open. It's totally up to you. It's basically got an underlayer here, and then these bits sort of go on top. I just love this so much. I know I said earlier about the birthday dress, but we may have a strong candidate coming in very very close second. You know, maybe this is the day, maybe that's the night. I just love white clothing, and to be honest, I'm not quite ready to let go of it. I know summer's gone, but I'm not ready. Last but, as you can see, most definitely not least, I can't explain it as anything other than a true princess dress. Speechless. I'm simply speechless. Dusky pink, ruched, buttoned goodness. As expected, beautiful square back. This feels so structured. I feel so secure in this dress. I know they also do a top version of this, which is going straight in my basket. Because there's so much going on the top, I feel like this skirt is perfect for this dress. The perfect length. The material of this is so thick, so high quality, so flattering on the collarbone. You love a bit of collarbone action. I just can't fault it. I really can't fault it. I love it so much, and I need to get out of the house more so I can wear stuff like this more often, L1. And on that note, that is the end of my House of CB haul. I am so in love and so obsessed with all these pieces. Thank you so much to House of CB for working with me on this video. You guys know I would never promote or never speak highly of a brand that I don't truly love. And I mean, I can't really lie about the quality of these dresses. Like, you can see them on, you can see they're stunning. What a dream come true. I honestly cannot believe my life. House of CB want to work with me, flossie.clegg. What? For the 100th time, thank you so much, House of CB, for working with me. I'm so grateful. I cannot wait to wear all of these dresses and feel like a princess, because we all deserve to feel like a princess. I want to say a massive thank you to all of you for watching, and if you are new and you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe. I post so many weird different videos and a lot more hauls, so if there are any more brands that you would like me to test out, let me know in the comments below. As I said before, all the items will be listed in the description box, and I got a size small in everything. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. You can subscribe if you would like to see more of me. Don't forget to leave requests and comments in the comment section down below, as well as I also have all my social medias listed in the description box. I'm most active on my Instagram. I love you all so much. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon.